Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a simple professional invoice in just a few minutes using Canva. Whether you're a freelancer, small business owner, or just need to bill someone, this tutorial is for you. Let's get started. So before we dive in, make sure you have a Canva account. It's free to sign up. You'll also need some basic information for your invoice, like your business name, client details, and the services or products you're billing for. I'll show you an example in just a moment. So don't need to worry if you're not sure what to include yet. First, we're going to head on to www.canva.com. Once you're in, you can just click on Templates. You'll automatically find Invoice option in the category. You can click on it, or you can simply type Invoice in the search bar. Canva offers tons of beautifully made templates that would match your brand and also customizable depending on your account. For example, these accounts that doesn't have a crown icon means it's open for free accounts. Meanwhile, this type of templates with a pro icon means you have to get a Canva Pro account to use this template. So for today's tutorial, we're going to use something simple that we can customize depending on our brand. How about let's pick this one. Click on the Customize this template button. As you can see, this template is very clean and simple. So the first thing we're going to do is add our business information to the invoice. Let's start off by changing the details and put our company details into the invoice. You can also add your phone number and your address. Next, we're going to add the information about the invoice numbers and the date. For the date, we're going to put the current date we're billing them. Next, we will head on to the information about our client. Type in the details of your client you're billing to. You can also indicate their business address. After indicating the business details of our company, the invoice details, and also our client's information, we will head on to customizing and applying the products and services we are billing them for. As you can see, we have item, description, price, and amount. We can change the word item as unit. For example, I have given email banners for worth $150. So the total amount to be billed is $150. For the next unit of product, I've given the services of logo design. So 2 logo designs, which is worth $1,000 each, we'll just multiply it to 2, giving you a total of $2,000. And let's just say a simple video thumbnail. I'm charging a single thumbnail worth $50. And if I multiply it to 4, it'll be worth $200. So 150 plus 2,000 plus 200 will be amounting 2,350. And if you have some sales tax, you can add them up and add the grand total of your invoice, which is 2,400. Going down below, you'll see some payment information. Customize the details depending on where you're going to receive the payments. Make sure to indicate the correct account numbers and your account name to ensure the correct transaction of this invoice. And lastly, adding some terms and conditions. The due date of your invoice could depend on your condition. So let's just say for this example, my due date will be 14 days from the invoice date. Okay, so all of the informations are now indicated. If you want your invoice to look branded, we can drag and drop some logos on it. You can simply align your elements. If the template you're using for your invoice includes shapes or elements, you can change its color depending on your brand. To add a simple touch to it, click the Element tab. put a thank you note just below the invoice. Let's click on the Present Full Screen to preview the entire invoice. And if you're happy with the design, we're ready to export it. Now, to download your invoice, just click on the Share button you can find in the right corner of your screen and click Download. For the file type, you can also save it as a JPEG, PNG, or PDF standard for emailing or PDF print. But let's just say I'm going to email my invoice to the client, so I'm going to save it as PDF standard and download. After a few seconds, my invoice is ready, and there you have it. A quick, simple invoice that you can make using Canva. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you have created a professional invoice using Canva. To recap, choose a template, customize it with your details, and export it as PDF. And here's a pro tip. Save this as a template in your Canva account so you can use it for future clients. Canva also has other great tools for receipts and proposals, so be sure to check those out too. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.